everybody, I'm Pia from Stitches and Scraps. Let's look at how to assemble your Knit Picks Options interchangeable needles. This is the Prism aluminum set which Knit Picks sent me for free for a review. First, select the needle tips that you'd like to use. I'm going to be using US size 7 4.5 millimeter tips. Take the tips out and set them aside. The sizes are marked on the needles so they can be identified when they are not in the case. Next, we have to choose the cord that we want to use. This set comes with two 24-inch cables, one 32-inch cable, and one 40-inch cable. For my use right now, I'm going to choose one of the 24-inch cables. Now we need the tool that helps us put these together, and that can be found in this little pouch. These black discs are stoppers, which we don't need right now. Those can be used if you want to remove the needle from your cable but still hold your stitches secure. What we need right now is this little key. That's what's going to help us put the cable and the needles together. Now that I have the key, the needle tips, and the cable, I'm all set to assemble my needles. The needle tips have a hole at the back that you can screw onto these screws at the end of your cable. So first loosely screw by hand the tips onto the cable, just as tight as you can get it without any additional help. Next, we're going to use the key to tighten our cable so we know that it won't come off while we knit. You'll see a tiny hole in your cable right at the end here, and this is where the key fits in, just like that. And that gives you a little extra leverage to make sure that you've screwed the needle on as tightly as it can possibly go. Repeat that for the other side. And our needles are now assembled. The same key can be used in the same way to help you to loosen the needle when it's time to take it apart. When you're finished with your needles, you can store them back in this pouch that they came in, or try this beautiful interchangeable needle case, which Knit Picks also sent me for this review. It's a zippered case, and inside you will find several layers. There's a pocket, then there's space for the needles, which is a flap that folds both ways, so there's space on this side for more needles, and then there's another pocket. The pockets are great for storing your cords and your tools, and your needle tips go into the center flap. And that's how you assemble your Knit Picks interchangeable needles. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, share it with your friends, or leave me a comment. You can also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more great videos. Thanks for watching.